that you'll get 3 bolts, the scope, the rings, the quiver, and the handle. This particular bow's got 430 feet per second. It's a little to shoot. It's got a draw force of 12 pounds. When it's fully cocked, it's only 6 inches wide. Uncocked, it's 10.5. It's 34.5 inches long and it weighs 7.1 pounds. So I'm going to go ahead and get the scope on this, get it all fitted up, and we'll go shoot it. First thing you want to do before you mount your scope, you want to be sure your bow's level. Got a level on that. And you go ahead and take your rings, go ahead and put them on. Just hand tight in case you got to move them. Go ahead and snug these down a little. Go ahead and put the top side of our rings on. I'm just getting these on snug for now. I'll go to put that level on. We can tighten it down a little bit so it won't run on us. You don't want to get your proper eye relief. They recommend 2 to 3 inches. So once you got that snugged down just a little bit, I don't know where my small level went, so I'm stuck using the big one. You want to get this level aligned with the level on your bow. Looks good there. They recommend 35 inch-pounds for your scope rings. I get this nice little vortex set that I can go over later. Double check this. Still good. The top side of the rings, they want you to use 15 inch-pounds. Tighten these down diagonally from each other. A little bit at a time. If you over tighten these, it said it will void the manufacturer warranty, so if you don't have a tool, it'd probably be a good idea to go get one or borrow one. All right, once all the final steps are done, Check it again. Yep, we're looking good. Next thing we'll do is we'll go out and get this sighted in. All right, to cock this, you're gonna have your handle. You'll see the groove that it sits in. We're on safe. You can put that handle in there. Be sure it locks down. There's a little thumb safety right here. You gotta pull it forward a little bit, push that thumb safety in, then you'll unwind it. And the track trigger will run down. And once it hits that string, get a little slack, you'll push it down. You'll hear it lock. And once that's done, you just crank it back the other way. You'll hear that clicking. You can always hit that thumb safety and bring it up quiet, but don't let go of that handle or you're going to leave a blood trail. So once you hear that clicking stop, we'll go ahead and get our bolt. White fletching goes down. If you have to, spin that knock. Just slide that in there. It takes 5 pounds of pressure to get that to click. You'll hear it. So now you know you're locked in and ready to go. Now we sighted in, they say start at 10, then go back to 20, then go to 50. I started at 10 and it blew right through the target, so we're set up at right around 49 or 50 right now, and we'll go ahead and send some of them down range. Safety's off. I'll go ahead and recock this to show you how to come off of it. Again, you'll run it forward just a little bit, push that thumb safety, then you'll just wind it off. You'll hear it click. Crank it up again. You'll hear it stop clicking. So then if you want to decock it, you'll take your bolt out. It's pretty much the same process in the reverse order. You'll pull it forward a little bit, push that thumb safety. It's going to have a lot of tension on it when you come off of it. And if you let go of that stop, it stops too. Once you get it done, that cable trigger is going to stay there until you fire it again. Say it's not going to hurt anything sitting there, but it will stay there until you fire it again.